Okay, so we're going to talk about Amazon again off of this last setup decision. Okay, when we first hit time and price, we had timing between the 16th through the 18th. The actual low was made on the 18th. And we also had price support. We had a couple areas here, 17, 20, 21 area and 17, 11 to 12, but this first one did end up holding. So you basically had time and price come together. You had a nice initial rally off of that area, but then it did get scary when it did pull back. Didn't know if it was going to hold or not. You know, we would have been wrong if we took out this last low. But bottom line, it held and it re-triggered, and we are not that far away from the initial upside target that we're looking for, which is the 1140 area. Okay, so besides the 1272 extension, which is the target, I do have some other projections. I have a symmetry projection. I've got a couple of retracements and another couple of projections of these prior swings that also overlap that general area. So bottom line, this is going to be the minimum target that I'm looking for off of this last low. And as we're getting closer to resistance, it's a really good idea to trail up stops as you go, because honestly, I don't know if we're going to make the target or not. Okay, I would think we would, but don't know that for sure. Besides the fact that we're getting close to targets, we do have the next timing projections for possible resistance. And again, just because we have timing doesn't mean it's going to kick in for sure, but it's also a reason to continue to ratchet up stops as you go. Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart real quick. This is where we had the secondary entry after we had pulled back. We did take out this prior swing high. We also had the 834 EMA crossover, so when both of those occurred, you know, right here, that was basically your buy signal. And we've seen a beautiful rally since that low was made. But now what you probably want to do is use the symmetry to trail a stop. Ideally, I do not want to see a decline below this 1807 area. Otherwise, I have to consider that we're going to get at least a deeper downside correction. And in that case, I would want to be out of Amazon, even though it has not yet met the target.